This 92 square meter house located in Tinh An, Quang Ngai, Vietnam, offers inspiration on how a residence can blend harmoniously with its surroundings. More than just a place to live, this house shows that architecture can be a medium to care for and appreciate the surrounding nature. One of the most interesting things about Tinh An House is the architect's decision to maintain the Barringtonia asiatica tree that has grown for a long time on the site and make it the center of the house's design. The house is designed around the tree, allowing it to grow in the middle of the living room with its branches piercing through the openings in the concrete roof. This design creates a natural atmosphere that blends with the environment, presenting a strong presence of nature amidst the daily activities of its residents. Large glass doors allow natural light to enter optimally and present a fresh view of the garden from inside the house. The layout is also made simple and efficient, consisting of a family room, 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, and an inner garden that serves as the center of lighting and air circulation. The materials used, such as unfinished concrete blocks and local recycled wood, reinforce the impression of honesty, eco-friendliness, and provide a touch of down-to-earth aesthetics. Tinh An House provides an important lesson on how design can be in harmony with nature without sacrificing comfort. By responding wisely to the site conditions and respecting the existing natural elements, this house is an example of how a simple dwelling can still be meaningful and sustainable. Hopefully, the inspiration from Tinh An House can open up new perspectives in designing a more environmentally sensitive home. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next inspiring video.